Imagine a world where humanoid robots are not just a figment of sci-fi, but a reality. How would that change our society? Humanoid robots, with their potential to increase efficiency, are indeed a promising prospect. However, this also raises concerns about potential job loss. And let's not forget the ethical considerations that come with such advanced technology. It's a brave new world we're stepping into, with myriad possibilities and challenges. The future is here, and it's being built in factories across the globe. In the heart of the USA, a factory hums with the rhythm of progress. This is where our future is being crafted. Here, the incredible process of manufacturing humanoid robots unfolds. It begins with the design phase, where a team of brilliant minds engineer blueprints that will eventually take form as humanoid robots. Each blueprint is a map, guiding the creation of these marvels of technology. Then we move to the assembly line where the magic happens. Each part of the robot is meticulously crafted with the most advanced materials available, ensuring durability and functionality. Precision engineering takes center stage as these parts are assembled with a level of accuracy that is nothing short of breathtaking. But the pièce de résistance is the infusion of cutting-edge artificial intelligence. This breathes life into the robots, enabling them to learn, adapt, and interact in ways that were once only the stuff of science fiction. Each robot, a testament to human ingenuity, leaves the factory ready to step into the world. In the past 2 minutes, we've taken a journey into the future, a future where humanoid robots are a reality. We've explored the potential impacts of these robots, from revolutionizing industries to transforming everyday life. We've delved into their creation process, a blend of artistry and cutting-edge technology. And we've highlighted the role of the USA's first factory in making this future happen, right here and now. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the future we are creating?